Okay, when you're looking for a car you can really count on, two names always, and I mean always, come to the top of the list: Toyota and Honda. They are absolute legends when it comes to reliability and value. But which one is actually better? Well, today, we're going to settle that debate once and for all. The choice really boils down to one simple question. Are you looking for a car that's basically bulletproof and will run forever with no fuss? Or do you want something that adds a little bit of excitement to your daily drive? That right there, that's the heart of the Toyota versus Honda showdown. All right, let's dive right in. I want you to think of this as a title fight between two absolute champions. Each one has a totally different game plan for what makes the perfect car. So, in one corner, you've got Team Toyota. Their philosophy is crystal clear: build cars that are safe, incredibly durable, and just don't quit. Then, in the other corner, you have Team Honda. And they're all about proving that reliability doesn't have to be boring. They want to give you that solid engineering, but wrap it in a package that's actually fun to drive. Okay, let's kick off round one. And this round is all about what really hits home: your wallet. We're talking reliability and long-term cost. So if you're someone who absolutely hates spending money on car repairs, listen up, because this is for you. Look, Toyota's reputation isn't just hype, it's the real deal. It's legendary for a reason. Seriously, we're talking about cars that can blow right past 300,000 kilometers with just the basic regular maintenance. It's kind of nuts. They just keep on going. Now, when it comes to maintenance costs, both of these brands are fantastic. You really can't go wrong. But, and this is a key but, Toyota usually squeaks out a win here. Why? Well, its parts are just everywhere and often a little bit cheaper, which can save you a decent chunk of change over the years. And what about fuel economy? Again, both are great, but here's where Toyota plays its trump card: hybrids. They are the undisputed kings of hybrid technology. The Prius changed everything, and their tech is so proven that it means serious, long-term savings at the pump. Honda's engines are super efficient, don't get me wrong, but in the hybrid world, yeah, Toyota is in a league of its own. And here's another huge financial win for Toyota, something you'll really appreciate down the road: resale value. That bulletproof reputation means that when it's finally time to sell your car, you're going to get more of your money back. It's a fact. Toyotas hold their value like almost no one else. So when you add it all up, the unbelievable reliability, the lower running costs, and that awesome resale value, the winner of round one, without a doubt, goes to Toyota. But hold on, a car is so much more than just a practical appliance, right? Now we get to the fun part: performance, the driving experience. And folks, this is where the battle gets really interesting. This is where Honda truly shines. A Toyota will get you from A to B comfortably, no question. But a Honda? A Honda is designed to make you actually enjoy the journey. It's all in the engineering. Their engines just love to rev, they're smooth, responsive, they just feel alive. And you can feel that difference on the inside too. You step into a Toyota and it's like a calm, quiet, comfortable space. It's simple, it's functional, no fuss. But then you get into a Honda and it just feels different. It's built around you, the driver. It feels sportier, a little more modern, and more connected to the road. So for that engaging feeling you get behind the wheel, those fantastic engines, and that extra dose of fun, yep, the winner of the performance round is Honda, hands down. So, we've got a split decision. Toyota takes the crown for reliability and cost, while Honda wins on performance and fun. So how in the world do you choose between them? Let's break it all down on the final judge's scorecard. Honestly, the choice is pretty simple when you look at it this way. If your absolute number one priority is maximum peace of mind, knowing your car will start every single time with the lowest possible running costs, then Toyota is your answer. It's the logical choice. But if you want a car that puts a smile on your face during your daily commute, a car with a sportier feel and more modern tech, then Honda is calling your name. At the end of the day, it's that classic battle of the head versus the heart. Your head, the part of you that thinks about your budget and long-term value, is screaming Toyota. But your heart, the part that wants to have a little fun on the way to work, is whispering Honda. Ultimately, you cannot make a bad decision here. Both of these brands are absolutely amazing at what they do. But the best car for you really depends on what you value most. So the final decision comes down to you. Which team are you on? The choice is all yours.